Okay, you certainly can call this asymmetrical because things are unevenly placed around the image and there's no central point of access. Now, as you said, there is this large object here, and it is creating a focal point of emphasis due to scale because it's larger than most of the other elements, and there's good contrast between the light and the dark, and so large things with a lot of contrast tend to pull our attention away. And so we have one large thing balanced by many small over here. There is a large object here also, and that is balanced by the many small things that you have here. There's a lot of contrast between light and dark and between saturated colors and less saturated colors. There's different shapes. Certainly we have straight lines and squares, and we have some curved lines, jagged lines, intersecting lines. And so there's quite a variety in the shapes and the sizes. What is kind of bringing this together in terms of repetition and creating harmony is the black. Okay, that is repeated throughout, and that is helping to bring it together. We have several things pointing to the middle here. You see how these lines lead to the middle, and so that is something that is helping to create a little bit of repetition and unity, and also creating the center of this as another focal point of interest. Now, in terms of gravity, think of it as weight. What is holding the visual weight in this work? It's not the same as the gravity we think of in our environment as things pulling it down. It's what is carrying the most weight in the work, and certainly this center part has the most visual weight due to the scale and the amount and the contrast. This is carrying the most of the objects. It is carrying the most weight, the most visual weight in this work. It's easy to see the positive and the negative space. Certainly all this light area is the negative space, and all the elements that have color and line are in the positive space.